Thank you for tapping, Weston. You hear me? Yeah. Welcome in.
Happy birthday, pretty girl.
Hi, welcome in. Welcome to my live. Thank you, Weston. Appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you, Weston.
Are we gonna have cake?
Where's the cake? Yeah. You can give me cake, Weston.
Papalo mo na, paano mo na, te?
I don't have cake.
Yeah, I have cake, but in the house.
Oh, I thought they were gonna do something special for you on your birthday.
I thought they were gonna do something special. Who are they?
Your agency.
I think after the shift. Esther.
Mas kasi nagpamani po.
Hey guys.
I love your earrings.
Thank you for tapping, top guys. Oh, thank you, Weston. I just bought it yesterday.
Follow your opponent.
Yeah, I just bought it yesterday.
One stay fresh.
I love them.
You don't see him because you are not following here. He already followed you.
Yeah, I love it too.
Yeah, one stay fresh. Okay, I will go.
Hi guys, thank you for tapping. tapping, Joshua. Yeah, I'm on live while working. Yeah, good to hear that. What time you will sleep? I'm doing good. Thank you for tapping, Gara. Yeah, still working, even it's my birthday.
I'm here supporting her on her birthday.
That's right. I choose it. I choose to work than celebrate my birthday. I think I'll celebrate it with my life. True life. Yeah, thank you, Weston. And I have this. Guys. Okay, I will wear it first. Nice, right?
Ate Laika, patanong ako kung na-follow back na siya.
Yeah.
Nakasusin
I
yung
have
pag-isip
the
din, nakakainis.
headband. Thank you, Joshua. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Alas 8 na eh.
Yeah, I have my headband. Thank you.
Ang ina, nag-match pa ang puti.
Thank you to Demi. Work pa din. Thank you for tapping. Ay, may labot pa mo.
Oo, di na ma-contact yung ano. Isang tanga na naman yung nag-battle ng
Bakit?
Hindi nga makano. Ulit ko ayaw ng ting nakakainis.
Cass is the birthday girl.
Guys, thank you for tapping. Once Cash is the birthday girl. Yes, today it's my birthday. Let's invite a guest or host. Yeah, this is gonna do. Is to work. Work. Until you die. Thank you for tapping.
Cass is working and talking to us on her birthday.
Oh, let's invite others. Hello.
Aga-aga.
Luto. Kabuding.
Ang lakas ng pag-isip. Ako, nag-uwisit na naman ako.